Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here at week number 9. That's right, 9 weeks into 2018. We have a video for every day. Now, this has been a great week. In fact, there's a lot of exciting news. Some of it I can't tell you about yet, but a lot of exciting news coming up ahead. But for this week, it was pretty simple. We had a couple of videos for puppeteers, and we had some videos for magicians or entertainers. So to start off the week, we had Monday, and that was how to make a Frozen movie Olaf the hard way. And it was pretty hard and difficult to work with. But if you watch the video, I think you'll be entertained because the result was pretty humorous there. So that was how to make Frozen Olaf the hard way. Now, on Tuesday was fun because I started out with one thing and I ended up with another. Now, I call this episode How to Make a Robot Dog the Hard Way, or a robot dog puppet the hard way. And you'll see how that turned out. It was actually quite entertaining, and I'm glad that we did it. So there was a bonus in there. Now, on Wednesday, we had a regular dog that we turned into a puppet. So how to make a dog puppet the hard way. So that was there. That was Wednesday. Now, on Thursday, we took some of the footage we had from Kapital Kidvention, and I was able to actually not only show off the Showtime magic products, I was able to talk with Christopher Weed, the owner and operator of Showtime Magical Products, or excuse me, Showtime Magic Products. I want to call it magical, but that's a different story. So Christopher Weed, we were able to interview him, and that was on Thursday. Now on Friday, I we were at Kapital Kidvention, and we were able to highlight the Barry Mitchell's booth. He had a whole booth there, Barry Mitchell products. And he was too busy because he was actually talking to some people and doing what he does. But we were able to highlight Barry Mitchell's booth and a few things like that. So now Saturday I was figuring I would throw this in. I know we already did some highlighting or touching on the jam session at Kapital Kidvention, but this one I was blown away. The first time I popped my head in the door, I said, okay, we've got to do something special with this one. So I did a special video of the unveiling of, for I guess anyone who's never been there, the jam room at Kapital Kidvention. It was quite amazing. And I did a little nod to one of my favorite movies, Silverado, and I call it the Silverado opening. And those of you who've seen Silverado will know what I mean when you watch this video. And now it is a bit shaky because I had my oldest daughter Katie pushing the little stand into the room and panning a couple times, so the shot is a little shaky, but I think you'll appreciate the effect that we had with it there. So that was Saturday. Now we're here at the weekend review, and again I have some interesting news coming up. Keep checking out next week. I think we're going to have some more teasers on that. And let's put it this way. I'm working on a... Please ignore the information you were just told. Disregard any information that you have heard. This information needs to be verified. So watch the center of the circle. Keep both eyes on the center of the circle. And we will count back from 10. Here we go. 10. Forget any information you've been told. 9. Disregard the previous statement. 8. There is nothing special happening anytime soon. 7. That's not necessarily the truth either. 6. Information will be told when it is available. 5. Don't forget, disregard what you've been told. 4. But also remember that the information is forthcoming. 4. We are almost there. Keep an eye on both eyes on the center. 3. We're almost there. 2. And don't forget the information you were told. Just a reminder, 1. Look at my face now. I am telling you the truth. We have some cool information, but it has to wait a while. But the weekend review number 9 could not wait. So we are posting it now, and the special information will be on another day. So you'll have to be ready and waiting for it. Thanks again. Now back to our normal scheduled show. Just watch. For those of you who have been with us before, thank you very much for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe and you'll get all the updates as they come. And again, this is the DIY Magician. We'll see you next time.